I spend actually a lot of time thinking of the team composition. What I want to do is I want to put in a team leader that's going to facilitate the learning. So you don't want a student that's very me. You want a student that's able to step back and see and help the other students. And I actually had a few students who started out at the beginning being very me. So the idea in the class is that when you're picked as a team leader, there's a certain amount of prestige associated with, because it's recognizing that you have certain characteristics that we want in the class. You know, that you're able to make sure that everybody's included, that you're able to listen effectively to others, that you're going to be responsible, and that you're going to be trustworthy. And then I do it as a rotation. So actually after March break, when we come back, we're gonna switch the rotation. So it's telling the other students that are not the team leaders that you have the opportunity to be team leader, and you can be one, but you have to demonstrate when you're working in your laptop groups that you can do it. And that has been made explicit to them. When you're making the groups, you're not only looking at their ability. Most of my groups are mixed ability, but I also know that certain groups, because I want them to do the math talk, I not only consider their ability level, but whether they can fit with the other group. So say, for example, in one particular group, there's a boy that I know that's very strong, but he tends to domineer. So sometimes I actually put a group of girls together that are quiet. Because when they're quiet, they don't drown out each other and they actually start talking. So it's not only ability level, but you have to think of fit. You have to think of when they're in that particular group, are they gonna be comfortable that they can actually open up and talk?